Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to create grass in 3ds Max using V-Ray. First, we start by creating a plane as our base structure. Then, we open the material editor and assign a grass material to the plane. Next, we can adjust the length and width segments as needed. Click on Standard Primitives, then choose V-Ray. From there, select V-Ray Fur. Now we can start rendering to see how the grass looks. Since we haven't applied a specific material for the grass yet, go back to the material editor and use Assign to Selection to apply it. You can now modify the length of the grass, its radius, and even the gravity settings. Adjust everything based on your needs. As for knots, it's recommended to keep this value above 5, because lower values result in poor quality fur. Under Distribution, select Per Face and set the number, usually above 100 for better results. That's it for this tutorial. Subscribe for more tips and tricks.